Hi there, Warren Lashmar of Knight Frank, Tasmania. We are incredibly excited to present to you this exquisite address at 48 Esplanade in beautiful Margate, just a stone's throw to the water. Here we have a significant parcel of land on over 1,100 square metres in one of the most desirable positions in the Channel. The home is double brick and of approximately 18 squares with 3 bedrooms plus a study and full of character. There is a large workshop and double garage combined out the back with so much room to play. This is a stunning property that you do not want to miss out if you want the best of Channel living. Whatever you do, call me, Warren Lashmar, or Mickey White of Knight Frank as soon as you can.